Well, guys, my buddy just called me while I was out riding. He had a rough night last night and couldn't get up, so I said, shit, I'm gonna go out riding anyway. And right time I got good and going, he called, so I'm gonna head up to his house now. Me and him's gonna ride. Hey, we got a rider right up here. See what he's driving. Probably a Harley. Let's get up a little speed, see if I can catch up with him. I don't want to get too close to him. Damn, he's getting it now. Hell, I'm going 65 and I ain't caught up with him yet. He's getting it pretty damn good. I'm almost hitting 70. And I think I'm barely catching up to him. What is that? Couldn't tell. Looked like a ZX6. Like a 07, something like that. Drag that knee! Scrape them pigs! You turning, you bitch! Yeah, it's a Harley. Alright, guys. I'm gonna leave my camera on because some stupid bitch back there just almost pulled out in front of me and I had my camera off. Wish I'd have had it on. Like, I had cut it off right after that Harley turned off, and then like right up the road, like maybe 5 minutes later, oh my fucking god, will you go? Pulled right out. I mean, I seen her. She pulled up. This car right up in front of me went by. She looked right at me, and then commenced to try and pull out. I'm just like, god damn, what the fuck? I don't know, man. Fucking stupid ass bitches. Alright, guys, I'm right here at my friend's house. Getting ready to go ride. Right, we get to climb up this fucking steep ass hill with gravel. It's gonna be fun. I done got used to it now, so it ain't bad. Couldn't hear you, had my music going.
You check the air pressure in your tires later. I got the compressor on over if you want to check the air pressure.
Oh, yeah, I can, I guess.
It's a good thing, ain't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I was listening to a little music. Yeah.
Titty bar music.
Yeah. Yeah, titty bar music. Yeah, I know. Let me get all this shit off.
Yeah, I checked mine one. Mine was 3 pounds low on the front.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know, what's yours right?
Alright, guys. I just had some mechanical issues. Thank God it wasn't nothing serious. We were leaving from from Clearwater Cove over here to the river. We're gonna stay a little longer, but as you can see, the rain clouds are starting to come in, and so I told him I wanted to go ahead and head on back. And so anyway, we were pulling out, and then all of a sudden I lost all power. My bike fucking died. I lost all power. And got to looking, pulled my seat off, got to looking. The little piece that connects the negative wire to the battery terminal, it just fucking broke off. And so I don't know if I got a toolkit on here. I kept looking, I couldn't find none. Thank God my buddy had a little toolkit on his bike, and so we used the screwdriver and a wrench to take the little bolt off, and I had just enough of the the metal piece that I could shove under there and tighten it back down. I got it tight as hell. And then, this is funny as hell now that I'm thinking about it. I'm trying to crank it, and it's not doing nothing still. I'm like, whoa, what the fuck? You know, I got power, and we're sitting here looking for blowed fuses and everything, still not doing nothing. And, you know, this should have dawned on me. I'm sitting there, I'm trying to put my bike in neutral to crank it, and then I'm holding in the clutch trying to crank it, and I'm like, damn, what the fuck? What the hell? And then finally, I kick the kickstand up and it cranks. I'm like, damn it. Usually I know better than to do that shit, but you know, I was getting annoyed and aggravated, and you know, with that battery cable coming off like it did, and yeah. But we got it back going, and I'm going straight back to the house. I cannot figure why the hell that thing broke, but thank God I was with my buddy, and he helped me out. Because if it wasn't, I'd have been in a world of trouble. Yeah. Alright guys, well, I got caught in the damn rain. Oh my lord, it's starting to come down now. And, fuck. Damn it! Oh, hurry up and turn, come on! God damn it! Oh, it's raining over there. I think I'm in the clear now, though. Well, felt some. Ah, shit. I'm about to hit it again. Damn it. Alright, guys. Well, I'm about at the house now, so. You guys have a good one. I'm gonna go in here and get dried off.